In the previous problems, we straight away went for the calculation of interest on capital because the capital in the beginning of the year was given. The capital in the beginning of the year, capital as on the first day of the year is given in the problem. But in these problems, the opening capital is not given, we should find it. What is given there? Balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. So, inside the liability side, the capital given are the capital at the end of the year. Therefore, capital as on 31st December, that is 31/12/2018 is Subha 40,000, Sudha 60,000. And drawings made by these partners. And drawings. What is the amount of drawings? Drawings of Subha 8,000, Sudha 10,000. If you add these two amounts together, this is 48,000 and 70,000 and drawings. Less profit share, less profit earned during the year, or less profit during the year, or less profit already credited. Less profit already credited. Less profit already credited. How it should be divided? So, what should be the total amount of the profit? 30,000. For 30,000, Sudha, out of this 30,000, Sudha is getting how much and Subha is getting how much we should do now. Find, do the calculation and write it. How they are dividing the profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3. Therefore, 2/5 and 3/5. This was. What is 2/5 of this 30,000? 6 5s are 30. 6,000 into 2, 12,000. This is the profit share of Subha. 3 times 6, 6 into 3, 18,000. 18,000 less. So, after minusing this amount, 48 minus 12, it is 36,000. 70 minus 18, 52,000. What is the name of it? This is the opening capital. This is the opening capital. This is the opening capital. This format we have seen already. closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, all these things we have seen already. And like this, here we have done it in a format capital as on 31/12/18, that is the balance of capital 40,000, 60,000 for Subha and Sudha. And drawings, add drawings of Subha 8,000, Sudha 10,000, so it is 48,17. If there is any additional capital, less. If there is any profit share, less. Here only the profit share is given. 30,000 the total profit earned, it is given. But in what ratio they are dividing among themselves? In the ratio 2:3. Ratio is 2:3. So the first partner 2 plus 3, 5, 2 by 5. The second partner 3 by 5. If you simplify and write, you will get 12,000 and 18,000. You minus this, you will get 36,000 for Subha and 52,000 for Sudha in the beginning of the year. For this opening capital only, we should calculate the interest on capital. Here there is no additional capital given. For opening capital only, we should find the interest on capital. Calculation of interest on capital. Calculation of interest on capital. The first person, Sudha, interest on capital on opening capital. On opening capital, this is opening capital for Subha is 36,000 into the rate of interest into 1 year, because it is for 1 year. The second partner, Subha, on opening capital, opening capital amount is 52,000 into the rate of interest, and it is for 1 year. We must find the rate of interest given in this problem is 5% per annum. So it is 5 by 100 in both the cases, 5%. So this is 5 by 100. Here also it is 5 by 100. You can simplify and write 1,800. And for Subha, $2,600. So for Sudha 1,800 and Subha 2,600. These are the two interest on capitals. Once again I repeat it. Only if the opening capital or additional capital are given freely, we can go to the calculation. But in this problem, the opening capital or the additional capital is not given here straight away, but instead the closing capital, that is capital at the end of the year, is given and the drawings are given. We have seen it. We have seen it in the other chapter already. A format Closing capital, add drawing, less additional capital, then you compare with that profit, you will get, you compare with the opening capital, you will get the profit. So, the same format is used here to find the opening capital. So, in this problem, only profit share is given, the total profit share 30,000, and it is divided among the partners Sudha and Subha in the ratio 2:3. So, for Sudha 2/5 and Subha 3/5, this is calculated. Therefore, the amount for Sudha is 12,000. This amount of profit for Subha is 18,000. So, this is minus here, and the balancing figure is 36,000 and 52,000. So, this is the opening capital. For this opening capital only, we should calculate the interest on capital for Sudha and Subha. Since it is opening capital for 1 year, this 5% is given, therefore 5/100. Therefore, for Sudha the interest on capital is 1,800, for Subha the interest on capital is 2,600. That's all.